Here we're stuffing the Big-Footed Snuggler's feet together. So I've finished the second foot and now I'm going to chain 4 times. And then I'm going to attach it to the other foot, trying to make sure that it's lined up with, like, both of the front feet need to be facing outwards, and you want to get on the very edge. Usually that's right where you left off from before. And then I'm going to single crochet in each stitch around the leg, so that's a total of 12. And then when I get to these chains, I'm going to single crochet um, through one side. So I'm just going to go right in there, as you can see, and I'm going to single crochet across those chains. So that would be a total of 4 single crochets. You want to be sure that the chains don't get twisted as you're going. It'll make it a lot easier, especially once you get to the other side. Now we're going to the next leg. Make sure you get right as close to the chains as you can. Sometimes we miss that stitch. It looks like it's not part of it, and so that might be why your count is off, or that's been the case for me multiple times. And then here I'm just single crocheting around each stitch in this leg, which again is a total of 12. Now we've come to the back side of those chains, and so you're just going to chain there, or sorry, single crochet here. Again is a total of 4. You want a single crochet in each chain. Now your legs are connected and considered one piece, and you'll just continue to crochet in each stitch around.